I don't know.
So?
I don't know.
You just have to be like that, Mimi. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, that's good.
So what happens? Why does the door close at night? What happens?
You snore.
Yeah?
That closes.
My snoring causes the door to close, doesn't it? Can you hear me snoring sometimes? Really? No. And you prefer to have the door open, do you? And so at the start of the night it's open, and when you wake up it's closed.
Who's Dad snores?
Maybe I should put a peg on my nose.
Why? It will hurt your nose.
It will stop me from snoring.
It will hurt your nose. It can't be on your nose. It'll drop off when you sleep. You can't do
Okay,
that.
I'll think of something else. How's that pizza? Does Mum make a good pizza?
It's
Do you like the
yummy.
pineapple or no?
I didn't taste it yet.
JD, you know you should play with a lot of kids, not just Olivia, huh?
I'm not playing with just Olivia.
Well, who else do you play with?
Eliza and
Okay.
James
Okay.
and Holly.
Yeah.
And James?
I already said James and Eliza.
You already said Eliza.
James is the one that you give a kiss and a cuddle to sometimes.
Yeah.
Where do you kiss him? On his nose?
I kiss him everywhere.
Ooh.
Whoa! You kiss him everywhere. And what does he do? Does he kiss you back?
Yes, he kisses me back.
Where?
I know. He kisses me everywhere.
Well, as well. Okay.
And cuddles too.
What do you play? What games do you play with him?
I know.
Do you hold their hands?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Does James kiss other girls as well? No?
He just kisses me.
Not other girls?
No, he just kisses me. Just me.
Okay. What about Olivia? Does he kiss her?
Her?
Yeah.
Oh.
What does he do? Does he play with her?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But he doesn't kiss her?
No.
Just you?
Yes, he just kisses me.
What about Juliana? Doesn't he kiss Juliana too?
Mm,
He plays with her?
I didn't see him play with her.
Okay. Okay. So he just kisses you. Where did he kiss you? On your cheek?
No.
Where?
I know. I just don't know. Oh.
Your mum
You're a
asks you a
funny
lot of
girl.
questions, doesn't she?
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I don't really like the pineapple.
Then put the pineapple away on the plate, and Pat, I'm sure he likes that.
I don't like it.
Yeah, put the pineapple away. That's fine.
Oh, there's one more pineapple.
Yeah,
And
leave it
put
there.
it
Pat will finish it. Leave it there. Leave it there.
There.
That's fine. The rest is